Ouch!
Salamat sa'yo.
Salamat siyempre sa
Everybody looking for that something. Something to make it up. You find in the strength.
Bibigyan ka mo inibigay sa box ni Ate Gina ha. Nalaman ni Bian. Ibigyan mo. Butang sa... Bakang hugas man sa ilang mapilito. Ikaw, pag ano yan sa kamay kayo. Butang mo yung sa box ha. Butang mo sa box nito ni Ate Gina. Butang mo puti.
Kalimutan mo yan.
Gilid.
Sa lalaki dapat dininda. Hayaan mo sila ang maghabog sa'yo, diba? Sabi sa'yo, lahat lang naglulugo. Pagkatapos kang patinaba ang bilo. Kaya huwag nang uulit pa. Kaya huwag nang uulit pa. Nang uulit pa. Kaya huwag nang uulit pa. Kaya huwag nang umulit pa. Ako naman sa'yo, mahal kang magdala ko. Pagkatapos, biglang lalayo. Kaya huwag nang umulit pa. Kaya huwag nang umulit pa.
Abot ka man dun din sa mat.
Ulit pa.
Paano ka ba dun sa red?
Uy, nag-aano ka ba yan?
Oo, nilagay dun ate. Kaya po yun. Sige ang bukas. Sige ang house ko ba yun? Lumate yun. Umudong sumbibig kay Papo. Tumawa dong. Kanina pa gula ko sa'yo sinsuway. Baga hindi ka nagbabat.
Hi, I'm your new subscriber. Hi, Sam. Lots of love to you. Looking to kiss from you, if you don't mind. Where are you from, Sam? Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Louie. Good morning to you. Good evening to me. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat yung nilala ko. Sa pag-iabang ang biglang lalayo ko. Kaya huwag na ulit pa. Thank you so much. So nice to see you. Thank you, Lovey. Ulit pa. Kaya huwag na ulit pa. Sabi ko naman sa'yo. Thank you so much. That's okay. That's kind of okay. What means okay? Love you. Is everything good? Yeah, everything is fine. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you.
Yes. Wow.
Merry Christmas in advance. Nice spring. You sure are looking very beautiful. Thank you. Hi. Quick Daniel. Put on some shorts. for the likes. You are so cute and beautiful. Thank you, BBIT. Ate, pa-shoutout po kay Julian Papa ko po. Thank you. Hi po, Julian from Rosie Buenafe. From Rosie Buenafe, shoutout po kay Julian sa papa niya. Shoutout to you pa. Shoot is that true that. Shoot. Thank you for the likes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Everybody's looking for that something. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Hi, John. Oh my God. Thank you, John. Hope you have a great day. Yes, I have a great day. Thank you, John. Michael Rodriguez. He's not happy. Why is not happy? I thought John is not a John. Jody Reba. Sorry, wrong. I thought it's John. It's a J. Sorry. No, it's not a John. Crisanto Catalino. Hi po, Crisanto Catalino. Are you in trouble? No, I'm not in trouble. Pa-shoutout kay Guko galing sa planetang Namek. Craig Daniel, Cotton Short Top. Good evening, Crisanto. Hi, my Midam. Hello, Bimal Jeep Braza. Shoutout, Idol. Hi, shoutout to you, Crisanto Catalino. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Wow, very nice, very sharp. Hi, John. Oh my God. My God, miss. Understand that Judy. I thought it's you, John. Sorry. Misunderstand. Thank you, John. Thank you for the likes. Pasko, Merry Christmas. Yes. Merry Christmas, Crisanto. You're really a very attractive lady. Thank you, Sir Louis. Oh my God. Oh my God. You have a beautiful body, Summer. Thank you. Oh my God. How old are you? 40 years old. I'm a 40. Oh my God. I thought it's you. It's Judy. Miss. Understand. Hi. Hi, trolls are back, Lul. Trolls are back. Thank you so much. Very sexy. I hope you're I hope you're having a wonderful evening, Cheryl. Yes, thank you. Well, Heg, sticker of them. Thank you. Hi, Jay. Hi, John from Hegs. Thank you, guys. Lowy, Lowy. Brother Lowy, Lowy. Brother Lowy, Lowy. Brother Lowy, Lowy. Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. I never believe in love at first sight. Till I met you. Really? Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Crisanto, hi Crisanto. Was he wallet? Bernardo Basister. I'm cook food for the night. Oh my god. Hi. Hi Donnie. Welcome back, Donnie. Or maybe different Donnie. The different Donnie. Really, you are very special with you. Thank you so much for doing comfort. Thank you so much. Yes, you're a very beautiful lady. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Your real beauty is your heart. Yes. The real beauty is an inner beauty. Say, wait. Leading man. Amin ang damdamin na ngayon wala ka na. What's the wallet? Kiss your... Oh my God. So what's your wallet? Thank you, John. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Who are you? How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Ha? Dami-dami ba? Bayad minute ba? Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you, John. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you to those with the heart, sending hearts. Thank you for the likes. Donnie, wow. What wow? Why wow? Why wow? Oh, wow. Dito ba? Dito ba? Dito ba? Tiritin-titan sa ilalim ng araw. Dito ba? Dito ba? Like your hair. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie. Donnie, Peponi, banana, Peponi, and P5. Donnie. Thank you for the likes. Di ko alam. Bakit ba ikaw nakikiisip ko at di na mawala-wala ko? May alam ko na puso mo na mahal ng iba. Ano kang aking damdamin tunay sana'y hayaan mo.
Saan naman pa ng kape? Mapili po.
Ako mong bagatan meron ko. Sinaya mo. Niloko mo. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. For the membership. Hi now. Hi Cheryl. Oh my God. You're so with it. Sige. Oo. You're so with it, Cheryl. Thank you. Are you a model? No, I'm not a model. Maybe now I'm not. I want to be a model. Can you hire me a model? Thank you so much for joining. You're very welcome. Thank you so much, guys. Niloko mo, pati mga pangarap ko. Nasasaktan ako, baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Nariribubo ako, baby, pag may kasama kang iba. Aking laman ng aking puso, ng aking buhay.
Ano ako magsulugay kung bato ko na kung ayam na. Si Utol, pantay sarado. Ano ako magsulugay kung batok-bato ko na.
Namiss ko ang halik mo. Namiss ko. Supermodel. Oh wow. Really? Thank you. Namiss ko, bakit iniwan mo ako? Sasaktan ako, niloko mo. Nasak mo, pati mo. Anong sakit sa aking bibig. Oh, why need to show? This is me. No need to show. Natural beauty is a real beauty. Oh my God. Don't talk to me like that. No. Pati mga pangarap ko, anong sakit.
Abot din nila ang matituwa.
Ha?
Pwede ko anan ko rin abot din. Ani ka na kasi dito?
Asaan? Itinto na lang.
Gayon, siksihon.
Kailangan.
Tingin ka na naman haraw ta.
Wala, dili lang sa bahay. Mas malakas kumita dito sa bahay kaysa labas. Hindi ko kailangan. Sure.
Sana ang mga siksihon.
Ano na lang, mapasko lang, hindi pa kami nakapasyal ni Gab.
Diin. Ay, sa ano? Oo nga niya. Kami nagkanto kami sa tuna, ano baga kami saglit, mauranon. Uli manggihapon kami, manggihapon kami baka ano. Baka pasyat.
Pura kay Joy.
Kay mauran.
Maurani. Ang sunod na niya? Kapsoy.
Parang ganyan. Kasi rin ko yun may carrots na mahihipon.
Ano?
Umbot, hindi ito mga
Hinsa.
Hinsa.
Hinsang gulay.
Gulay na mahihipon.
Siguro rin niya ba ito? Oo, sinsing. Where are you cooking, Cheryl? I cook pork, nilagang pork. Pork nilaga. So nice with pork nilaga. Like a soup, having a soup for our father. gustong malupet. Like this. Yummy. Yummylicious. Ato, ininit ko lang. Yes, yan. Oh, dami yun. Sayang lang sa naman. Mara ako naman yun. Mara ako. Tapos uga. Palit sa mga uga. Ako, ganun lang isa. Hi, Marcus. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Marcus. Getting ready for work. Oh, you're getting ready. Here, nice here. So, my pledge of love will not be broken. Hope you have a good meal and good evening. Thank you for spreading your love. How are you? I'm fine, Marcus. How about you? Long time no here. Tubig yun? Tubig ko. Tubig. Ako. Oh my God! Ay, thank you, Jan! Thank you, Jan! Thank you so much, Jan. Yay! Nah! Tell me who's that girl? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift, Jan. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm good, guys. Oh my God, happy for you. Thank you so much. Oh my God, happy for you. Living for work. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Ayos pa rin may an.
God, thank you so much thank you so much, John. Very kind of you. Thank you, Donna. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. God bless you so much, John. You are. Thank you, Marcos. Sticker Marcos. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot, John. My God. Oh my godness. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for myself. Cheryl deserve it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, John. God bless. Bye. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you too, Marcos. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have Merry Christmas. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you, John. Early gift for Christmas. My God, you make me happy. Thank you so much. Tell me who's that girl? I'm different. Tell me who's that. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Vino Production. Vino. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, Golden Blade. Hello, I like it when you happy. Oh my God. Thank you. And it's called it. Oh my God. And you know what, John? Very rare the person like you that for me, very rare that. Oh my God, really appreciated your kindness. Oh my God, unexpected. Thanks a lot. It helps me, buy foods, buy medicine for my father, to buy the bill, to pay the bills, everything. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much, John. Thank you. God bless you more. I'm glad. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Someday I'll find someone who will love me. Maybe don't wanna go with me. Da-da-da. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Can't believe meet someone like you, John, here on YouTube. You help me without, like, wait. It just sounds so good when you say, oh my god. Yes, like, oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks a lot. You know, speechless. Speechless. I'm speechless.
Ay, bangutan ninyo.
Dinagdagan natin sa isa pa.
Oo. Dinagdagan ko kay Karaan.
Kaya kanina baga, para paruhi yung event, tumod na ngayon na. Bakit dinilin kang Gila? Malimot man si ate. Ano pa, tupod na. Nagliwat yung ako.
Thank you so much, John. Jigo Danielle Alanas. Hi, Jigo Danielle. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the likes. Dili na buta na rin si ano. Kabawal si Papi sa pero
Ikaw man si ano, kapay.
ano ka na?
Oo, pag ano, bagay ay hula mo. Ikaw na baga sa bagay, naman baga.
Okay, di ba sa mga taon sa taon?
Marami pag-iyan sila nagka-request siya si pagkaon. Dahil sa una ko na lang gusto.
Kaya doon siya lang gano'n.
Mana yun so nag-ayo. Ito baga na pagluwas baga nato ate sa ay pagluwas na papi sa ospital na nag-ayo pag buto-buto. Yung baga ito na sunod, nagka-relief.
Nagka-release.
Pagkano mo rin na-confine naman sa iyo.
Good man, Jay, for the donation. Yes, Jan is just he's a very generous friend here. Judy Vivas, what a cooking. I cook pork nilaga. She deserve it, man. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jan. Oh my god. Oops, kitty, whoops. Every time I see Here, whoops. Cheryl definitely deserve it. Thank you. It smells good. Are you married? I'm not married. Never been married, guys. I've never been married. Not married. There should be more. Hmm? What? Thank you, John. Thank you so much, John. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my God. Thanks a lot. I am Carrie lifelong married. Oh my God. I'm married is not so easy, you know. Can we see the pot? The pot. What the pot? Like the pot? What is that? From Heim Food. Ah, the food. Yes. We try. Okay, sorry. Look, you see the Park Nilaga. See, this is Park Nilaga. This is the park. Oh yeah, that looks delicious, Cheryl. Thank you. Yeah, it's delicious. Very delicious. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. How long you cook that? It's almost finished. John, almost finished. Rashida. Finished, done. And done. Done, done. Thank you for the likes. Not too much for me, Cheryl. I just had a not spicy. No, not spicy. Not bit spicy. Hi, Cheryl. How are you? I just came home after classes. Okay. I need to buy something outside. Can you wait for me here? Forgot.
Namang tukman.
How are you, Intellects? Ako na lang. Ako na da. Today sa ating mong poriyad to. Bakit ba hindi ka makilala? Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon. Sorry. Sorry. Mala, how are you going into Lex from Jan? Oh man. I think Intellect is a student. Sensational.
Thank you.
Welcome. What's the fish and weather like an Adelaide? Bless you. Hi, Igor Cross. Stephen, hallelujah. Ouch. What's the weather in Adelaide? It's a hot or cold? Australia. Adelaide, Australia. Adelaide. Hi, Biglan. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Biglan. How are you, Biglan? Thank you so much. Gusto mo ano? Uga? Uga. Sa balay, dengan suka, may silir to. Aw! Ay, gadalagan. Thank you so much. Weather is warming up. Fishing is getting better. Wow, that's great. Hello, my beautiful friend. I haven't visited your stream in a long time because of that curly guy, whatever his name is. I understand Biglan, but yeah, I don't like that guy. Oh my god. I understand. Thank you so much, Biglan.
Nakabarog na ang pag-ibig.
Thank you, guys. I really understand your reason. You like soup? You like soup. You like fried fish? Wow. Dada. You like fried fish? The way to tell the truth. Ay, nagduwa mo. good to me. It's good to see you, Nekam. Thank you, Beglan. Thank you. Here. So what? The fishing and the weather is no good in Adelaide, or it is? Huh?
Dada ho, may dada.
Winasok mo pati mga pangarap ko.
O, dada ho. Sosong mo sa ako, dada. Uli na lang yun.
Pati mga pangarap ko anong sakit sa aking likid.
Hi na Gab. Pero ko sa diha. Ang pang-stand ko. Pada tabi. Ay, Rico. Huh? Oh my God. I love your spiritual. Kain tayo. Thank you, Big Lon. It is, I don't care what you think, Big. You're here for your nothing. Oh my God. You sure what's called the thing you are frying now in your language? Prito. I'm gutom. Okay, you're gutom. And now he hide like a child. I love your spiritual. Thank you, Beglan. What's for dinner? The dinner is the fried fish and pork nilaga. Good. It's not the best this way, Australia. Who is shouting? Outside. Playing outside. That's because you're in Victoria. The Igor Cross is on Victoria. Big land. I don't understand why you say that makes no sense. What? Do you speak Portuguese? No, I'm not speak Portuguese. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Maritar Tapo. Thank you so much. Yeah, don't rub it in. I don't good fish over that way. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to those hit the likes button. Thank you so much. God bless. I need to close the window. I need to close the window. What's your secret to skincare, Cheryl? Just a lotion, nothing. I think I just wash every day, shower every day, Silver chats and super sticker are available. Everyone tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you, Biglan. You're here for here, not me. You haven't been here for a while and then you speak shit. I have never said I have never said anything bad about you, babe. Speak Spanish. No, I'm not speaking Spanish.
Speaking.
I'm speaking. Same. Thank you. Thank you so much. I don't understand what the guy is saying, Cheryl. I don't understand about you. Why you argue? What happened? Before, I think before, maybe calm down, guys. I don't either. Thank you, John. Oh my God. Pati mga pangarap ko, may banyo contigo. Oh my God. Homegrown. Hi, homegrown. Do you use any lotion on face? No? The facial skincare? No. No, any lotion. Oh my God. Why? Oh my God. The dogs are screaming and the kids are barking. What? Cheryl, where's my Filipina wife? Not yet. Oh my God. Nowadays, very difficult to find someone better, the good one, because the generation now is not. It's difficult to find the right one, the good one for now. I think so. That's why I have no one to introduce you. I have no one. I have no one to find a good for you. That's, what's your name, little mama? My name is Cheryl. Call me Cheryl. Sella Edge and hay season and cropping. I haven't got time to come over and go fishing in the good places. Have you been catching any? Cheryl, I'm Mike. Hi Mike, gone homegrown. Hi Mike. Legs are. I guess we don't have a peaceful environment today, Cheryl. In the middle of the night is peaceful here. That's why I can sleep well. Big one. So apparently this guy has control of your channel and he doesn't want me to talk. Never said nothing to him. We need to get rid of this guy. He already. Oh my God. Sorry, Beglon. Nag-CR ka, day. Alam mo na nakaupo ako, nagtatanong ka ng ganyan. Nag-iisip ka ba? You need to get rid of this guy. Na give up fishing myself about 10 years ago. Fishing. fishing. Where are you, Chica? I'm from Philippines. Big, mind your own business and just chat here. It's her room. Ay, my God! Now I have I interested to learn Philippine language. I'm in Austin. Austin? Okay. You're wrong, Mr. Hat, guys. Guys, get over it. Yes, you need to get over it and then calm down, move on, and no need to. Christmas is about the love, forgiveness, and sharing. Feel the spirit of Christmas. Mickey Masan, welcome back here, Miss Masan. Too much drama. Oh my God. You got all the boys fighting over you. Oh my God. No, no, not. Oh my God. I could get over it, but he already hired me on my original account. Oh, go play with your other child for no reason. Sure, what's for supper? Supper. Uh, fried dried fish, the dinner, and then pork nilaga. Pork soup, like a soup. I love you, Cheryl. Thank you, Big Lon. Oh my God. Keep your keep your opinion to yourself, baby. Oh my God. Think of Cheryl, guys. It's not comfortable for her. Yeah. Oh my God. I fell. Ano. Let's respect Cheryl. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. OFC. I come back another time. Thank you, Mickey Mazan. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you, Sir Mickey Mazan. I think she's laughing at you both. What? Because I don't know why you don't need to. Big Lon, are you okay? Cheryl, are you Christian? Yes, I'm Christian. I don't care. If they love you so much, why don't you fly you back to the mainland? That's why. So that's the question is. Hey, and Um, hey, silage and planting crops haven't got time to come over and some decent fishing at the moment, but hoping to get there soon. So how come you give up fishing? Everyone have a good day and night. Thank you all making my song. Have a good day to you. It's a long process. Coco, my love. Hi, Gerald. The home hearts, my ear. The home hearts. Sure, are there any Polish people in your land? I think I have it here, but here I don't see here in our place. I never see here. Maybe in the other city here in Philippines have, but here I I don't see. I didn't see. Do you have Do you have to have a visa? Not yet. I don't have any visa. Like I never been go to another country in my whole life since since kids. I never been go to another country. So I have still have no visa. Eagerness is a long story, but had to medically retire from work back in 2017. Are most Philippines Buddhists are Christian? Christian. Most Philippines are Christians. Will be in USC within 2 years from now. Huh? 2 years from now? Every day, Jay, think of you. Every day, Jay, think of you. Thank you for 12 people and 19 likes. Thank you, guys. Sakit sa aking dibdib. Cheryl, are you flying to USA? I don't know. Not. I have no visa.
What?
I have no visa. Not yet visa. You sing for me. No? I think it would be like traveling to the Bahamas. Where Bahamas? Where the Bahamas place? I think it's like a familiar word. The Bahamas. The Caribbean. Caribbean. Yeah, it's like a familiar word, familiar name of place. Sorry to hear Eagle Cross. Trump doesn't want anyone that unless they support him. Yeah. Other Trump doesn't want anyone there unless they support him. Oh my god, really? That's why, the reason why. Magnaldo. I don't understand. Magnaldo. Not true, John. Not true. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh, really? Has a tyrant. I live here, it's not true. He wants people here legally. What tyrant means? Okay, no politics here. Yeah. Now, even we have to stay 10 years in USA to get citizenship. Earlier, it was 5 years. I don't know about that. I have no idea about that. Good idea. Yes. Thank you, John. Three houses in French and one in Switzerland, Maine. Oh. What? July. Pati mga pangarap ko. Right now, she is in her own world. What's your dream country to visit, Cheryl? My dream country, even my is Switzerland. I love the nature. The Switzerland is like a beautiful nature. But even in the other country, I love natures. If I see the other country have a beautiful nature, I want to know it. But when I'm young, when I see the Switzerland, the landscape, I love nature. The nature there is so beautiful. So maybe in the other country, or maybe in Australia, or maybe in the other like America, France, Ireland, Poland. They have a beautiful view. I want to visit. I like a nature lover. I'm off, Cheryl. We'll see you all later. Oh my god. Thank you, John, for staying here. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gift, John. God bless you. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Pati mga pangarap ko, anong sakit sa aking dibdib. Thank you for watching. Cheryl, even I gotta go. I have an assignment to complete. See you soon. Thank you, Antilex. Thank you for your time to visit my live stream here in YouTube. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Oh my God. May ito na sabaw. Oh. Thank you so much. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng Ginoon? The Ginoon means Mr. Like, Mr. Bakit? Ano ba yung tanong? Ganyan ang tanong. I have to go just get visitors. Bye. Thank you, Igor Cross. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Igor Cross, for visiting my channel, my live stream. Thanks a lot. 30 visa is all it takes. 30 visa. Thank you, Sir Igor Cross. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Pati mo na pangarap ko anong sigit. 30 visa is all it takes. 30 visa? Why 30 visa? Why need 30 visa? Why need 30 visa? Oh, thank you for another hit the likes. Nag-reply. Nawala na sila. I need to end the live. I need to eat dinner. So I will what do you call this? I will do live in a few minutes after I eat dinner. Thank you so much. Thanks, you guys. Thank you for. Hope see you next live. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Adios. Bye bye.